Assalamualaikum warahmatullah. Welcome back to PTE Preparation Series powered by Paragon Overseas Education KSA. Today we are into the third lecture of PTE Preparation. In this video, we are exploring the reading section of PTE, the third most module. This reading module takes around 30 minutes in total to complete it. So there are several question types, which are fill in the blanks, multiple choice, multiple answers, reorder paragraphs, and single answers. To score well in reading section, here are some tips. Practice collocations and grammar rules. Use logic and connectors to reorder paragraphs. Don't spend too much time on MCQs because they carry less weight. Skim the passage first and then read for details. For detailed preparation and personalized guidance, students can enroll into our IELTS and PTE test preparation series and score their required bands. For more details, contact us on the given number on the screen or email us on the mentioned email. Thank you. Have a good day.